So here's the Omni 6 Plus, 10-Tech Omni 6 Plus that I've picked up a week or two ago, and I've been working on it. It needs a repair on the transmitter filter board because 40 meters will blow the power supply when you try and turn the power up from high current. So I think there's a short in one of the filters, but I'm not quite sure yet. I ordered a new filter board, or a new used one, to see if I can repair it. Anyway, what I'm trying to show now is that I've been working on a Python program to change the frequency in the radio without using the control panel. So that's been coming along pretty well. And I did pick up a cable from a gentleman who sells lots of cables for these on eBay. So FDTI cable, he sells real nice metal jacketed RS232 cables, and this one of course is plugged into here and it's plugged into the Mac. So this thing I have running at 9600 baud. It doesn't seem like it likes to work at 19.2, so I have it set for 96. Anyway, to check that out, you hit the lock key, hold the lock key down until it goes into menu mode. Choose number 2, and you'll see the baud there is 9600 baud. So that's what I have it set at. And makes life interesting, right? Okay, so I wrote a small Python program, and this has been problematic for me because I haven't done BCD since I was just out of school many years ago. So I finally got this thing to go. And to show you how it works, I have a loop at the bottom saying set VFO frequency here. So I'm going to start at 7.0 megahertz, and I'm going to say once I hit 7.3, I'm going to quit, and I'm going to increment by 0.001 megahertz. So let's try this out. So when I run this program, you'll see it go. It's a Python program. There it goes. It's incrementing the radio. And there's the radio going along on its own. So that's pretty cool. And what if I try and turn the dial down? It kind of goofs it up, but it pretty much stays the form, so pretty cool. Anyway. That'll scan the band. I can slow it up, of course, by making this value smaller. So stop the program. And I could make this a 0.001 to exercise the least significant digit on decimal. And start the program again. And off it goes. There. Now you'll see the green digit is also climbing, but it's going to go real slow. Anyway, that's useful. So my ultimate goal is I want to be able to tune this radio, maybe with this little guy here, and keep the radio under my desk. This is what I do with the Pegasus radio. So I'm trying to get this Pegasus control to work on the 10-Tech Omni 6 Plus. So I think this is a better radio as far as receiving than the Pegasus, but the Pegasus is not to be doubted. It's a really great radio, and it's like the Jupiter without a control panel on the front. So I don't know. I like this radio, how it's built. I like how it looks. As you can see, I don't have much room for this radio on my desk. So I kind of want to get it under the floor and be able to tune the radio and work on it while it's on the floor. I guess it's a waste of the pretty front panel, but I don't know. Anyway, that's my little project for today. I didn't quite understand how to send ASCII to this thing in a BCD format, which it requires, so that's not so hard once you know how to do it. So up here, you want to put in bin ASCII. And then you can send it this way. Let's see here where I have that at. Yeah, so I'm just setting the VFO frequency like this. And that works quite well. Okay, thanks for watching. Have a great day.